Hello everyone, welcome back to the Forex Board Trade Academy with Victor, and yet again coming with a new idea, this time Euro versus Great British Pound. And before we start, as usual, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. I would like to give a quick run up through all previous ideas. We had actually quite a few of them. This is because market has been ranging throughout the past week, so all the trade remain opened and there is not much happened. And finally, perhaps we will see some move this week. Starting with the Australian Swiss franc, it's still above the point when we published the idea, expecting the uptrend. Australian Canadian also above the point where we published the idea, still expecting the uptrend continuation. Euro Australian dollar, you can see still ranging, wide range trading, but yeah, now I said that there is more downside potential and we might go towards the 158 level, which is a 500 pips downside move. But yet we need to see how price will be acting here. And today you see there was a rejection of the 200 exponential moving average and price actually produced a nice strong wave to the downside. So this could be the beginning of this massive downtrend. Australian Japanese yen above the point when we published the idea, so looking good. Still expecting the uptrend. If you remember, there is two major resistance levels, one at 76.35 and second is at 179.27. New Zealand Swiss franc, today it produced a double bottom but failed to break lower, and it means that the bulls are still in control. So I do expect this move, and probably we will go much higher than the original target. Nevertheless, we need to watch this support for the breakout because it might invalidate the trade if there will be 4-hour close below this level. Euro New Zealand dollar, trade is valid, also range trading, but overall expecting strong move to the downside. And finally, moving on to the Euro versus GBP. The point when I started actually doing analysis was at this stage, which seems to be like ideal price. It is 0.9030, and from this point price went to the downside. What we can see here is rejection of 250 exponential and simple moving averages. We also can see that RCI formed the bearish divergence. While the price was going up, RCI was going down. There was a breakout below the uptrend trend line, although we can see also this massive support here, and price is attempting to break. While it's still dangerous to go short or consider any selling opportunities here, perhaps the safest way would be to wait for the break and close on the 1-hour time frame below this level. Although the higher price will get, the better in terms of the risk reward. Nevertheless, look at this 50% Fibonacci retracement applied to this wave down. Clean bounce of the 1952. Price attempted to produce spike, and as long as there is no closing, 1-hour closing above this high, which was 0.9055, price should be expected to move towards the support level here at 0.8840. This makes a current potential move from the current price of 177 pips. Now let's have a look why this level is important and why this we have chosen this actually support. Here is a daily chart, and I have applied 2 fibs to this chart. One is to the last wave to the downside, because many times I said the last wave is very important. And here applied the Fibonacci to this overall uptrend. What we have is 61.8 fibs based on this uptrend. So this retracement is at 88.40, and based on this Fibonacci I have 88.6 fibs right at the same price. Besides, what we can see is that this is a massive resistance area formed previously, and then it was a support. And finally, if we extend the exponential moving average, it will most likely go in line with our support. This is a medium term to long term idea, obviously, and it suggests quite a strong move for the Euro GBP. It could take a week or more. But to summarize, guys, what we had is very strong Australian dollar, and it seems very weak euro. We have ideas on all of them, and what it says is that Euro Australian dollar could be the strongest loser of all, because there is actually 500 pips potential here on this move, over 500 if we take from this high. So from current price is 500, yeah. So 500 pips downside potential. And it seems like the most interesting idea, along with the Australian Swiss franc, which is also highly correlated to the Euro Australian dollar. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, this update. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you want to have exact levels for best entry, stop loss, take profit, just visit forexbot.com/forex-ideas. Take care, and I wish you really profitable trading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment as usual.